If you scroll through health content today, you are constantly pitched a specific vision of wellness. It usually involves $40 tubs of exotic superfood powders, specialized extracts from the Amazon, and an ever-growing stack of daily supplements. The message is clear. If you want peak biological performance, you have to pay a premium. But biology doesn't actually care about price tags, and high nutritional density does not require a luxury budget. Take a look at this tiny pantry staple. The lentil costs pennies per serving, yet its nutritional profile rivals expensive, hyper-marketed health foods. A single cup contains a concentrated package of protein, fiber, and minerals that interact directly with your blood sugar, your heart, and your cellular growth. When you trace what this inexpensive ingredient actually does inside your body, you start to see the true meaning of dietary return on investment. The most immediate impact you will notice happens within your daily energy and digestive cycles. A major part of that daily energy comes from iron. Lentils are dense with it, and your body uses that iron to build hemoglobin, the protein that ferries oxygen through your bloodstream. Better oxygen transport provides a direct physical defense against afternoon fatigue. This chart compares blood sugar impacts. That steep crash is from sugary foods. The lentils' flat curve provides stable energy. Dietary fiber creates a physical matrix, slowing nutrient absorption. Evenly paced digestion keeps you full for hours, shutting down the biological urge for snacking. You don't have to fight afternoon energy crashes or actively resist hunger pangs with sheer willpower. Both issues are solved automatically by the physical composition of what you just ate. Beyond getting you through the afternoon, your body is constantly running a massive, long-term construction project to maintain your tissue at the cellular level. To do this, you need amino acids. Lentils provide a highly accessible, rich source of plant-based protein, supplying the raw materials required to repair wear and tear on your muscles and organs. This diagram illustrates how those protein chains work in tandem with folate, a crucial B vitamin abundant in lentils. The glowing folate molecules act as a biological catalyst, synthesizing DNA so a single cell can divide and generate healthy new cells. If you eat a vegetarian diet, or even if you are just actively trying to reduce your meat intake, securing this specific combination of protein and folate is a biological necessity for structural upkeep. True systemic health relies on this constant, efficient cellular regeneration. Getting these nutrients packaged together in a whole food proves that you can bypass the supplement aisle and get what your body needs directly from your pantry. This cellular upkeep naturally extends to your most vital organ, playing a direct role in long-term cardiovascular defense. Over a lifetime, unmanaged cholesterol can slowly accumulate along the inner walls of your arteries, forming rigid plaques that severely restrict normal blood flow. This diagram shows how soluble fiber sweeps through the bloodstream. The geometric fiber particles act like a sponge, physically binding to excess cholesterol and pulling it away from vessel walls. Keeping arterial channels clear drops systemic blood pressure naturally, removing mechanical strain on your heart. Ultimate cardiovascular defense is achieved by actively deploying these protective, cholesterol-clearing mechanisms found within the lentils fiber profile. You get a highly regulated digestive system, steady daily energy, cellular regeneration, and active cardiovascular defense. And you get it all from a food that costs less than $1 a pound. It is also incredibly forgiving in the kitchen. Lentils rapidly absorb surrounding flavors, seamlessly integrating into heavily spiced curries, simple broths, or cold salads without demanding hours of complex preparation. Highly restrictive diets usually fail because they require exhausting amounts of prep work. Removing that culinary friction makes it vastly easier to stick to your health goals. You can skip the marketing hype of the modern wellness aisle. Pick up a bag of brown, green, or red lentils and start tossing a handful into your weekly meals. Long-lasting dietary mastery doesn't come from finding an expensive magic pill. It comes from consistency, simplicity, and leveraging the cheapest item in your kitchen into your most valuable health asset.